Hey, we're here with AC, the creator and developer of SoftWash Systems, and I'm using this to do my entire exterior today. So AC is going to tell us a little bit about how he got started with this company and how you can benefit from his services.
Well, cool. Thank you so much. All of us have a horror story about pressure washing, and when I started this company 25 years ago, we wanted to find an alternative to pressure washing, something that would last longer, something that would cause, little or no damage, certainly, and something that would be longer lasting and more effective, use less water. So 25 years ago, we developed soft washing, and now here in the St. Louis area, of course, you have Maverick SoftWash, and they're here doing your home. And we're the alternative to pressure washing. So instead of the blowing and blasting of pressure washing, we use biodegradable, water-based chemicals. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria. We call that the funk. And it comes up and it emulsifies and breaks up cobwebs and bugs' nests to where we can just rinse it away with regular garden hose pressure. It lasts 4 to 6 times longer. And it's all 12-volt battery powered, very environmentally friendly. It's a great process.
So you told me a little bit about your background, that you have a horticulture background. So this is safe for plants because I have a huge garden, so that was really important to me.
Well, the product itself certainly can hurt a plant because it's very strong. Our training system is so good because what we're trying to do is we're trying to kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens on a home. So we're using products that are antimicrobials and all, and you have to be very safe with it. That's why it's so important to pick a company that's had great training and is an established company, and we're able to come in and not have plant damages, not because the products are biodegradable, but because our technicians are so careful when they're doing the job.
Awesome. Well, I'm just going to show everybody this truck here. And Maverick SoftWash Systems. So can't wait to show off the rest of my house to you. Thanks,
Well, thank you so much.